I have to clarify something what I forget. The 4 daughters, they all living inside Holland. The 4 daughters she have. The Dutch make sure that when the twin grandchildren came to Holland with the mother, they export also the 4 daughters to came to Holland. Why? Because since Beatrix was born and the sisters, they say they reverse my 4 granddaughters to become the Beatrix, because they believe that Beatrix's mother is the one that reversed to be my daughter that was born 1919. And when the daughter have 4 daughters, Beatrix's mother get pregnant and also have 4 daughters, and the 4 daughters in Curaçao, it's what they say they reverse inside Holland. Now, when they bring me here, 2002, they bring all 4 girls, they all living inside Holland, masturbating after my masturbation. And because of their ex-children they have, the last 67 years, this government chased me. They killed me 42 years. Now, I am 108 years, looking like a 42 years old. And in the period of my 108 year, my daughter, minus 12 years, she's now a 96 year, that's going to be the 97. But the 4 vagina they copy out of her is living inside Holland. And the twin girls, one is living in Holland, one went back to Curaçao. So, for as long as the Dutch government is pretending that I'm a dumbass, well, all they need to do is give me a heart attack and find out exactly how big my ghost is. Because this time, I am saving every last 25 hours when I'm gonna die. Every day, when they kill black people, they try to test the ghost inside my body. Test the ghost in my body. I only can tell you one thing. My body, what you kill, is in Curaçao. The people that you're killing, trying to charge, this is a baby 1972. My original body is lying in a graveyard in Curaçao. What you forget, I am the wind. If I don't, you cannot make electric shock inside of me. I need to say yes. You can touch the body. But if I don't say, if I don't make electric shock, it will never happen. So they believe that dead people is coming. Well, it's because I never know that they pretend to die to come and milk me. The consciousness tell me. The consciousness say, girl, protection against gang members, a nation that are causing grief in human relationship. Now, I get the chance to find out that my masturbation, what I feel tickle, is not natural. It is coming from a system that is trying to return an old orgasm to get a new orgasm. Now, I wish Holland the best, because the 4 daughters from me, what you have inside Holland, that you say reverse to be the 4 in the parliament, and now you have 2 daughters for me. Well, all you need to do, when I fall asleep, don't make me wake up because I have a big mouth. All we need to do is just find out. Because the 23rd of May, I plant a 9-month-old baby girl. And the 26th of February, I have a 9-month-old baby boy. And I will be in charge of me. From the beginning of time, my 9-month-old, that become 18 months always. For as long as by the 26th of February, I will be in charge of my 18 months. I say, the rest of the world belongs to you. But I will get to February the 26th with my body or with my ghost. I will get there. But nobody is getting one orgasm out of me. Good luck with the twin, and good luck with my 4 granddaughters. What you copy inside Holland, there is more than 80 of them. My one body. They multiply it and abuse me, the one who masturbate to feed them.